What is going on, everybody? We're coming up on episode number 3, Hooked on Spurs. This episode is going to be day 3 of the spring Massachusetts turkey season. And this is a really weird hunt for me. The night before, I went to roost birds at another piece of public that I hadn't hunted yet this year, and I didn't have any luck. So I was driving back to the house. I had the sunroof open, and a bird gobbled right over the top of me, like literally directly over the top, up through my sunroof. I heard him when I drove by. He was roosted in a tree that was overhanging the road, and it was dark out, but he gobbled at me. And the thing is, I had just got permission 2 nights before to hunt a very small patch of woods almost directly across the road from where he was roosted. This patch of woods is not turkey woods. It's very thick, crappy, not turkey woods. But there's a little cart road that goes through the middle of it that's got grass. And just to the west of it, there's a field that I know this turkey likes to go in because I've seen him crossing the road. Everyone sees him going there, but that's a different property. I can't hunt there. So I'm just got permission to hunt this very small. It's like a one-shot deal. I'm going in. I got to get legal. I got to be 150 feet off the road. So I used OnX to make sure, and I made sure I was well over 150. I was actually 250 feet from the road, but you'll see in the video cars zooming by. It's really strange, but hey, I'm doing it legal. I've made sure everything was by the book, and he's a wild turkey. He's a road bird. I'm going to try to kill him. I talked to a local guy that said he's unkillable. He said he's an unkillable bird. He knows the rules. He knows you got to be 150 feet off the road. He hangs out on the road. He struts in the road. He roosts next to the road. He roosts in the cemetery. He goes on parcels of land where nobody can hunt, and he's basically unkillable. But it was going to be a rainy, kind of crappy day, so I figured it was a good opportunity to get the blind out and set up on this bird. So that's what I did. I went in real early in the dark. I parked down past him, and so I didn't walk underneath him when I was walking to the spot. So he's roosted right over the road, and he gobbles, and the hunt begins. So let's get right into He's roosted right on the edge of the road, across the road. He gobbles every time a car goes by. He won't gobble at my call. So I don't know if you can really tell in the video, but the long-beard was trying to pull the group to the left, which would be up into that field, which I can't hunt. But the hen pulled, it was just one hen. It was one hen, 4 jakes, and a long-beard. And the hen pulled them the opposite direction over to the cemetery. And that's where they all ended up following her. But he wanted to go up into that field. As he was walking up, he was trying to lead the pack, and he kept looking back like this, come on guys, come on. But the hen wasn't going to have it, so she led the whole group down to the cemetery. When they disappeared, I knew that's where they were going, but when they were out of sight and they were gone, I decided to reposition the blind, because in the dark when I set it up, I had it set up looking straight down the cart road towards the road, and the only shot I was going to have, if they came, they were going to come down the cart road. I knew that, but I was going to have to let them kind of get almost past me, and then I would shoot to the right, because I'm not going to shoot back towards the road. And I just didn't like that setup. So I moved the blind only like 10 feet, but now instead of looking down that cart road, I'm looking straight across it. But I can still kind of see, but my blind is situated so I'm going to be shooting into the woods. I wasn't going to shoot towards the road anyways, but it was just a minor movement of the blind. But this next clip is a different view. And after about a half an hour, I look down towards the road and I see the turkeys, and by golly, here they come, like a train, coming right down that cart road. Here they come. He won't gobble for me, but he gobbles every time a car goes by. What is that thing they used to say? Close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. Do you believe that? Take the good with the bad, right? Oh, man. I was too close to him. I was worried about getting a clean shot at the Longbeard with all the chicks around him. And I saw the opportunity right there. I didn't have them. I was going to try to let him go after the decoys, but my nerves got the best of me. And when I was raising my gun up, one of the too many eyeballs, and I'm too close. That was a road hunter. I'm so close to the road here. I'm legal. I'm like 250 feet from the road. I got permission to hunt this property. That's 2 trucks that have pulled up and yelped. Hopefully my calling was bad enough that he knew that I was a hunter. I hope this guy's smart enough to see my Jeep parked over there and doesn't come in and try to stalk me. Man, it's tight quarters in here. I wasn't sure that the turkeys would even come down here. There's a field up behind me, but it's really thick around in here. But there's this cart road, and well, it worked out, except I missed the shot. I don't think they're gonna come back here, but I didn't hit him at all. I can see the wad just went, it just went behind him. He was moving. I panicked because one of them saw me and putted, and then he was leaving. The only thing is, after he ran down there about 50 yards, he stopped and started strutting and gobbled. So he wasn't too boogered up. He honestly doesn't know what happened. So that bird really is unkillable. At least I can't kill him. Thanks for watching, everyone.